Title: The Magical Kitchen Adventure, by Zainab Zara. Characters: Tommy, T, Susie, S, Chef Magicus, C, Mom, M. Narrator, N. Scene 1, The Enchanted Kitchen. N sets the stage with a whimsical kitchen backdrop. T and S stand in awe. T, excited. Wow, Susie! Look at this amazing kitchen. S, wide-eyed. It's like a fairy tale come true. Enter Chef Magicus, a jolly chef with a twinkle in his eye. C, welcome, young chefs, to the magical kitchen. Here, we cook with imagination and a dash of magic. T, giggling, magic? Really? S, that sounds incredible. Scene 2, choosing the dish. C presents a magical cookbook that lights up. C, let's pick a dish, shall we? How about rainbow pizza pie? T, amazed, rainbow pizza? That sounds awesome. S, let's make it, Chef Magicus. Scene 3, gathering ingredients. N sets up play ingredients around the stage, including colorful toy veggies. N, with a wave of his wand, Chef Magicus conjured the ingredients for the rainbow pizza pie. T, holding a toy mushroom. Look at this magical mushroom. S, and these are the most colorful peppers I've ever seen. Scene transitions to a play kitchenette with toy pots and pans. Scene 4, cooking magic. T and S pretend to mix imaginary ingredients, stirring and laughing. N, with Chef Magicus's guidance, they mixed, stirred, and sprinkled magic dust onto the pizza dough. C, pretending to taste. Magnificent. Our pizza will dazzle taste buds. T, and it'll be as colorful as a rainbow. Scene shifts to an oven made of cardboard. Scene 5, baking time. T and S pretend to place their creation in the oven. N, the little chefs carefully place their masterpiece into the magical oven. T, peeking inside, I can't wait to taste it. S, me neither, Tommy. Scene transitions to them, waiting, by the oven. Scene 6, the grand reveal. T and S take out their creation, pretending to be amazed. N, as the oven door swung open, a burst of colors filled the air. C, pretending to taste. Extraordinary, my dear chefs. T, proudly, we did it, Susie. S, beaming, our rainbow pizza pie is the best. Scene transitions to the dining table. Scene 7, Mom's surprise. M enters, surprised and delighted. M, what's all this excitement, my little chefs? T, excitedly, Mom, we made a rainbow pizza pie with Chef Magicus. S, offering a slice, would you like to taste it? M, pretending to taste. This is the most magical pizza I've ever had. Scene ends with them all happily eating their imaginary creation. N, and so, with a sprinkle of imagination and a dash of magic, Tommy, Susie, and Chef Magicus created a rainbow pizza pie that was truly enchanting.